Now you gotta wake up.
Wake up.
But she's Tinkerbell, so that's fairy tale for Tinkerbell, right? And Snow White? You put her to bed? Oh, what a good sissy. Did she put you to sleep, Allie? Are you sleeping? I guess so. You did it. Is it morning? Did you put the baby to sleep? Good girl.
Wake up.
Well, now you gotta wake her up. Did that do it?
Wake up! Oh, wake up! Good night. Good night. Lie down.
One, two, three, woo! Whoa! What are you doing? You can't get out that way. Not with those shoes on. Are you Prince Charming? Oh, she just went and left you. You did it perfect! You landed right on your feet. Oh no, it's really hard, Allie. You guys are too strong. How about you guys put Mommy to sleep for 8 hours? What happened? What happened? No more fairy tale? No? It's time to wake up? Is that what you wanted, a snack? Okay. Kiss the boo-boo. You need a Band-Aid?
Yeah.
It's not bleeding. But you guys all need a Band-Aid anyway, right? Filthy. 2 steps, that's right. 2 steps. Allie's saying night-night.
Okay.
Very nice. Now where you driving to? Where are we going?
Nice, nice. Not to take this. Yeah.
Are you crazy? Night. Kiss the baby. The baby's going night. Good night. Say bye-bye, dirty face.
A baby.
A baby.
They're not walking, it doesn't matter falling, yeah.
This is what's to come. Night. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
I know. Sally used to, she came.
Bye-bye.